Bread stacking machine. The stacking machine is designed with a high-quality food-grade chrome structure for durability and hygiene. Key features. Counts and flips bread according to the desired quantity. Food-grade conveyor belt transfers bread from the cooling conveyor. Removes air from the bread before packaging. Equipped with a conveyor belt for seamless transfer to the packaging machine. Features 5 Turkish-made motors with German technology. Operates on a high-precision PLC electrical system for efficiency.